Hi there, I'm Christy with WTI. I have a 10-year-old that loves Minecraft, and he has a Minecraft plush collection. This is the most recent addition for him. This is the Minecraft sniffer. I guess, at least according to my son, this is one of the most recent updates in mods for Minecraft is the sniffer. So when he saw this on Amazon in plush form, he had to have it. And of course, we bought it because that's what we do. But it's really cute. It's soft. He has nice, vibrant colors, but he's been having a lot of fun. This has been his go-to sleeping buddy. And he also plays with him with his other Minecraft plushes as well. So if you have a child that loves Minecraft, I'm sure they'll be thrilled to get this, especially since it's like the new and coolest thing in Minecraft. And that's our point of view.